We've just acquired this Mercedes AMG Sport. It's in lovely condition. It has a lot of extras to make it look like an A45 AMG, such as the wheels and the rear spoiler. Absolutely stunning in grey. AMG rear spoiler, body kit. It's got the extended flared arches on the rear bumper. The back we have the AMG carpet mats, and all the boot is in lovely condition. We've just acquired it, so it's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. And we've got the half leather Alcantara with red piping. Interior, 6-speed gearbox. It's quite rare to get one looking like this with low insurance as well. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.